We all love good food, so it's hard to believe that so much of it is wasted every year. We're doing lots of things at Chester Zoo to reduce food waste, but by using leftover food at home, you can help make a difference too. Like using up extra potatoes and leftover bacon to make these Hasselback potatoes with bacon. Here's what you'll need. 8 potatoes with the skins on, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, a pinch of rosemary, fresh or dried, the same again with parsley, a pinch of salt, 200 grams of leftover bacon, chopped up, and 100 grams of cheese. This is great for using up potatoes that have started sprouting rather than throwing them away. Just cut the sprouts out and use them as normal. Right, so let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees or gas mark 6. I've already melted some butter here, put some into a bowl. Just add some chopped rosemary, which I've already done here. Got some paprika, a little bit of salt. Chop up all the herbs finely and mix in a bowl with the butter and spices. Then if you get your potatoes, slice halfway through the potato. Okay, when you've sliced all the way through them, you just spread the butter on top of the potatoes and just push them on. Put a little bit more salt on the top and then place them in the oven 200 degrees for about 40 minutes. To put on the top of that when they come out, we're just going to use some leftover bits of bacon. You just cook them and then dice them up. And then any odd bits of cheese you've got in the fridge, if you just mix that in with your bacon. And then these go on top of your potatoes when they're ready. So you go after about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, they should look like this. So if you just put some of the cheese and bacon mix on the top and then put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And then if you've got any leftover bits of salad in the fridge, if you just use 1 part vinegar to about 3 parts oil. I've got some whole grain mustard, if you want to use some whole grain mustard. And just drizzle that on your salad leaves. This will serve 2 people if you've got 8 potatoes, a nice little lunch. And literally put the salad in the middle there. And there you go, Hasselback potatoes, a bit of salad and some chopped bacon and cheese on top. And dinner is served. It's just one of the many simple, creative and delicious ways to love your leftovers. Discover more recipes through the link below.